Hi, my name is Rory Daly, and welcome to Daily Travels. With Subaru, Nissan, and Honda covered, I ended up back at Nissan, this time at the mecca of Nissan performance, Omori Factory, or NISMO as they're commonly known. This ain't no showroom, there's no cafe here, just a rotating display of cars important to Nissan and NISMO. Visitors can shop for everything from basic swag to hardcore performance parts for whatever Nissan they own, while in the background there's a glass wall showing the workshop floor. Like the other location, it's best to check the website to see what's on display. But if you're a Nissan fanboy, make sure your credit card can handle the heat from some of the unobtainium parts.